people, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to clear this away using an electric chainsaw versus the gas. After the big windstorm we just had a couple of weeks ago, people ran right out and bought gasoline powered chainsaws and a lot of these homeowners don't understand that if you buy a gasoline powered chainsaw, if you don't get the right fuel, the true fuel that we've talked about in the past, the gas is going to go bad the next time they need it if they don't use it, say in a year or two. With the electric chainsaw, you don't have to worry about that, and they're really quite powerful. People laugh at the electric chainsaws, but I'm going to clear away this little debris right here that's blocking this trail. Now normally I could just take the J5 and blast my way right through this, but I'm going to show you just how well this electric chainsaw is. Now the J5 doesn't have 110 volts built into it. I've got the little Harbor Freight generator on board, so that's what I'll use to get this started. So let's go ahead and clear this away. All right, here it is. This is from Harbor Freight, the Chicago electric chainsaw. I've had this, I'm going to guess, going on 6 years, and this little chainsaw has actually got me out of a lot of binds. I've had my saw get caught in a tree when I wasn't cutting it quite the way I should have, and I would actually take this and I would cut what I needed away from the tree to get my saw out. So you still have to add oil to these. Just like any saw, and they are dangerous. They don't turn as fast, as the RPMs are not quite as high as a gas chainsaw, but these will cut, and they will also cut you. So please use caution. Use your gloves to work around any kind of saw. So all we need to do is we need to plug it in, just like you normally would with anything. And a lot of people don't realize that on a lot of this electric stuff, like weed whackers, there's a little place here that you can actually put the cord in and lock the cord in so you don't have to worry about it falling out. Just like that. So when you pull on the cord, it doesn't pull the cord out from the unit. So let's go ahead and start up the generator. Yeah, this will also take care of some of the flies. I like to wrap the cord around a couple times. Go to work. Don't laugh at it. Obviously you got to deal with a cord, but still, if you're doing small jobs, this is fine. Now normally, you wouldn't be cutting stuff quite that big. You'd be cutting stuff a little bit smaller than that. But as you can see, you can do it if you had to in a pinch. It's a little harder on the saw. If I was running from house current versus this small little 800 watt generator, I'd have a little bit more power as well. But it worked pretty good. So now I can kind of clear the rest of it. I'll actually use the plow to clean that up. Well, I hope you liked it. This is the Chicago Electric from Harbor Freight, and don't be ashamed to use it. You'll be surprised, and you'll never have to worry about gasoline or even charging up a battery, especially in the city. If you just got some things that blow down, this will always work. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.